Let's take it across to Nooresh and Kunal and find out what they're making of the charts right now. Kunal, Nooresh, hi morning. Kunal, what is it that you're making of the market texture? Seems like we could recede a little bit more looking at the global handover at least.
Yeah, we could recede a bit more, but then again, we'll land back into that same trading range, 400, 300 points for the Nifty. So no meaningful trends emerging for the indices, and I think it also gels with the expiry view, which we were highlighting in the start of this week, that the index would remain into a range of 1% from 18,200 pivot, because that's where a huge amount of option writing has happened, and because it's the monthly series, monthly expiry, that's why not just the weekly but even the monthly expiry calls as well as puts, they hold a lot of significance. Now the other positive observation which I have also seen over the last 2 days is the rollovers, because generally at the start of the week you tend to see the rollovers taking into effect and the skew towards the rollovers, and right now in the last 2 days specifically we've seen positive rollovers. So in fact, if there is an unwinding of say 2,500 contracts on the bank Nifty for the current month, there is a built up of almost 4,000 contracts in the next month, which means another 1,600 plus addition of open interest on the bank Nifty for the next month. And same is the case with the Nifty. There's reduction of 22,000 yesterday in terms of open interest, but an addition of 32,000 contracts in the next series. So that extra bit of OI addition gives a sense as well as indication that the market tilt is still bullish, still on the bullish side. Yes, we may go through a patch of consolidation, maybe a round of volatility as well, but then till the time we are confined into a trading range, I think the bias should remain on the bullish side.
Okay, bias on the bullish side. Let's find out what Nooresh is working with. And Nooresh, given the kind of handover that we've got from Wall Street, what are you working with for the frontline index and the Nifty Bank?
So overall, we are still stuck in that move wherein it is difficult for the Nifty to cross 18,450 without support coming from some of the heavyweights. So we've not seen a move in Reliance Industries or HDFC Bank, but we are starting to see at least ICICI Bank come closer to an all-time high. We saw a bounce in IT, did not see a follow-up the next day in a stronger way. So overall, the structure is still positive. The bias is still positive. Now, 18,050 was the base in the last week. Going forward, 18,200 to 18,150 is the price point where you want to be buying the dip. So overall, the trend is up. Momentum could get better once we see more clarity in terms of leadership in the large cap space, at least in the Reliance and HDFC Bank side.
Okay, that's the take coming in on the market.